Wishing a 5 BHK at Shriji Kripa at Juhu at this 14-story brand new tower, unused, untouched apartment, one apartment per floor. It's a busy and a bustling Juhu locality. Over onto that side is Mithibai College, and onto that side is Juhu Circle. Let's go and have a look inside. Got 3 car parking spaces. Have a look at the construction. It's quality. And only one apartment left at a fantastic and a fantabulous rate. A rate that you can't resist. Let's go and walk a little bit and show you what the lobby work is going on as well. Great locality. Juhu apartment comes and goes in a New York minute, and a 5 BHK at a rate that you can't believe. That's a lobby. The work is happening, the security and private elevator as well. So one elevator directly landing into your apartment. Let's go. We're seeing a beautiful 5 BHK brand new apartment on sale. 2300 square feet carpet area with the flower beds and balconies. The biggest apartment at a most competitive rate in Juhu, very close to Bhaidas Hall. It's just right next doors, and what you have is a private elevator coming up directly here, right at your doorstep. That's your living space. Let me close the door for you, and then we can have a look so that you can see the expanse. So it's one apartment per floor. Have a look at this one now. That's it. That's the one. So what we have is 3 bedrooms onto this side, and flower beds there, and 2 bedrooms onto that side, and staff room and staff toilet as well. So let's go and see that one first, and we can turn around and have a look at the live-in space. 5 BHK at a rate you can't resist. That's your kitchen here, beautiful kitchen. You can extend as per the architect. I spoke to the architect. You can extend right up till there, push it there, so it becomes more than 2300 square feet carpet area. Now that's your staff room with the toilet, so you can make a nice little staff room and the toilets here for them. That's your kitchen area. The kitchen concept here, open, and brings in a lot of light, and as you can see, a bedroom here and a bedroom there. What you have is a common bathroom here and a walk-in wardrobe with this one. So now this is the common one. I don't know whether you can make a bathroom there if you want to, if you want an additional one, but got to speak to the architect. That's the one which has the attached bathroom, that bedroom as well. Lovely. And it's a huge one, huge bathroom here. So I think if you don't want to make an additional, you can put the door here and make this a master bedroom, and that let it remain as a walk-in wardrobe. What a lovely place and space this is, with the private elevator. We got 3 bedrooms onto this side. Let's turn around and have a look from this angle. The expanse is big. Let's have a look at this now. So 1, 2, and the third one. There was a wall in here and it divided 2 bedrooms. Now what they've done is they've made a big 4 BHK, but you can put the wall in, make a study room out of this one, so that this is a quiet area, this is a road facing area. Let's have a look at this one now. Again, put the door here, so this is your separate bedroom. So altogether 5 bedrooms. Yeah, quite a space that is new, neat, and in a mint condition. Now that's your standing balcony here, the flower bed as well. Now this is going towards Mithibai. Shriji Kripa is the name of the building. Let's go and have a look at here at this side. It's the same one, isn't it? Combining the balconies, the standing balconies. A 5 BHK in this location and at this price is an asset worth getting. That's your bathroom, and that's one. Have a look at this one. So this is a quieter space, a lot of greenery. I love Juhu. The properties here are amazing and the people are fantastic. Look at this. Beautiful. So 5 BHK, 2300 carpet, 1 apartment per floor, 3 car parks, private elevator, at a rate. Too good to resist. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to have a look at this one, holla at me guys. Cheers. Have a look at this. Wow.